In the event that the security system detects a tamper of the underlying data, it's great that it detects what it first of all is going to detect exactly which artifacts are tampered with, which allows IT teams to effectively triage the problem. But the problem with just detecting events is it's great to know that they were detected, but you need to actually continue operations. So what the system allows you to do is when an event, a tamper event is detected, you can restore to the last known good. What this does is it pulls the last known good version of this document to the top of the stack. It does not erase that tamper event. It's still stored in the audit trail, but it allows you to immediately resume operations to eliminate the downtime caused by IT security investigations. This means, on a practical level, that an operator can continue manufacturing and executing at the same time that your IT team is investigating what happened to that tampered data.